Wamena continuing activities in the Adisihang Educational Forest in 2024. The Sengon Wamena Settling Garden at the Adisihang Educational Forest Location, KATH Alusimanto Community Forest, Gampong Hagu, Peudada District, has entered its third year. The KBS Sengon Wamena maintenance activity is the flagship program of Bappedas Krung Aceh and is the only one in Aceh. The Sengon Wamena Seed Garden maintenance activity consists of 21 plots, 88 families with a planting distance of 2.2 meters by 3 meters with 4 repetitions. This activity also involved a team of experts from the Syekh Kuala University Banda Aceh Forestry Faculty, Mrs. Lola Adresyanti, who had visited the Sengon Wamena Semai Seed Garden several times with forestry students, to carry out observations and research on Sengon Wamena.
Anak buah pak, bayun, aku mana gini, lalu juga, jadi kau. Sekjen pertanian nah.
Nak kena jadi nah yo.
Ada kena jadi nah sekjen pertanian dan pertanian Muhammad.